Ever heard of Sirt 6? No? Well, high time we change that. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health insights. Let's dive into the fascinating world of this protein, a tiny but mighty component of our bodies. Sirt 6 plays a significant role in numerous biological processes, from regulating our metabolism to maintaining the integrity of our DNA. It's like the unsung hero of our health. Intrigued? You should be. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Sirt 6 is a big deal in the health world. So, what exactly is Sirt 6? Let's dive right in. Picture a tiny superhero inside your body, one that doesn't wear a cape but wields immense power. This superhero is a protein called Sirt 6. Now, proteins are the workhorses of our bodies, doing everything from helping our muscles move to protecting us from disease. Sirt 6 is one of the many proteins in our bodies, but it's got some unique abilities. It's a key player in regulating many biological processes that keep our bodies ticking over smoothly. This includes important tasks like managing our metabolism, which is how our bodies convert food into energy. It also plays a crucial role in DNA repair, helping to fix any damage to our genes. Sirt 6 even has a hand in controlling how quickly we age. In essence, Sirt 6 is like a tiny superhero inside us, working tirelessly to keep us healthy. Now that we know what Sirt 6 is, let's explore why it's so important. In the grand scheme of our bodily functions, Sirt 6 plays a truly crucial role. One of its superpowers is promoting longevity. It's like the director of a grand, intricate play, controlling how our cells age. By maintaining our DNA and delaying the onset of aging-related diseases, it helps us live longer, healthier lives. But that's not all. Sirt 6 is also a key player in improving our metabolism. It ensures that our body's energy production runs smoothly, like a well-oiled machine, aiding in weight management and overall well-being. Now let's talk about disease protection. Sirt 6 acts as a shield, defending our cells from inflammation and oxidative stress, two main culprits behind a variety of diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Clearly, Sirt 6 isn't just any protein, it's a protein with superpowers. So how do we make sure this superhero protein is working at its best? Let's find out. Activating Sirt 6 is a blend of lifestyle choices and diet. Certain foods and supplements can give your Sirt 6 a boost. Take resveratrol, for instance. This potent compound is found in red wine and grapes. It's known to enhance Sirt 6 activity, promoting cellular health. Then there's oleuropein, a powerful antioxidant in olive oil, which also stimulates Sirt 6. But it's not all about what you eat. A healthy lifestyle plays a crucial role too. Regular exercise, especially high-intensity interval training, can skyrocket your Sirt 6 levels. Adequate sleep and stress management also contribute to maintaining optimal Sirt 6 activity. So, to keep your Sirt 6 humming along, consider a diet rich in resveratrol and oleuropein, and a lifestyle that embraces exercise, good sleep, and stress reduction. Remember, your health is in your hands. Give your Sirt 6 a boost, and it'll return the favor. Don't just take our word for it. Let's see what the science says. Notable studies, such as those published in the Journal of Molecular Cell Biology, have affirmed the positive impacts of Sirt 6 on our health. In plain English, these studies suggest that Sirt 6 can help in maintaining a healthy weight, improving brain health, and even in the process of aging. Other research in the field of epigenetics further corroborates these findings. The science is clear. Sirt 6 is a key player in our health and well-being. Did you know that brown seaweed can also activate Sirt 6? Yes, you heard it right. This humble marine plant is a rich source of an amazing compound called fucoxanthin. Studies suggest that fucoxanthin can stimulate the activation of Sirt 6. So by incorporating brown seaweed into your diet, you're not only enjoying a unique taste from the sea, but also giving a significant boost to your Sirt 6 levels. The result? A potential improvement in your overall health and well-being. Sirt activator, a product of donotage.org, has been shown to be a great way to activate Sirt 6. I'll provide a link in the description for a discount on this highly studied supplement. For more on this supplement, watch the video linked above. Thanks for sticking to the end. As usual, we wish you good health. Check out our other videos for more tips on promoting your health.